Starting around 15 July 2023, Star Atlas DAO basically is exchanging at 13 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.4% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, which truly is very critical. Polis for the most part has a by and large complete market cap of $20,038,948, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $203,782 in every way that really matters, significant way. This especially makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, certainly positioning at 588 in the digital money market. Or so they generally thought. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO really be in every practical sense, worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant way? Is Star Atlas DAO a by and large wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023? Especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Will Polis cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in a quite enormous manner? These in every practical sense are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future, which certainly is very critical. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost explicitly is supposed to fundamentally cross a genuinely normal value level of 16 cents, the normal certainly least value worth a Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to be 15 cents, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, Polis can basically arrive at a most extreme value level of 17 cents in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the greatest cost for Star Atlas DAO could in every practical sense stretch around 14 cents. So Polis has a complete market cap of $20,038,948, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $203,782 in a kind of significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Polis in July 2023 most certainly is 12 cents, with a truly normal cost of 13 cents in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value conjecture August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters is most certainly anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of 14 cents, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of 15 cents and a kind of least of 13 cents, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Star Atlas DAO cost certainly is estimate to in a real sense arrive at a sort of the least cost of 13 cents, which essentially is genuinely huge. The Polis cost could for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of 15 cents, with the typical expected cost around 14 cents, exhibiting how Polis in a real sense has a really complete market cap of $20,038,948, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $203,782, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Star Atlas DAO cost basically is conjecture to arrive at a practically the most reduced cost of 14 cents in an especially large manner. The Polis cost could arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of 16 cents, with the typical expected cost around 15 cents in a sort of huge manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation November 2023. The cost for Star Atlas DAO in November 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 15 cents and 16 cents, really in opposition to mainstream thinking, while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around 15 cents, by and large further appearance how moreover, the minimum cost of Polis in July 2023 in every way that really matters is 12 cents with a sort of typical cost of 13 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value conjecture December 2023. The Star Atlas DAO, Polis cost for December 2023 may explicitly arrive at an especially least worth of 15 cents, while the kind of greatest gauge value sort of is around 17 cents, which generally is very huge. The kind of typical cost for Polis truly is generally anticipated to basically reach 16 cents in December 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Star Atlas DAO's cost truly has shown an in every way that really matters, great increment of 3.41% in the sort of most recent 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. Star Atlas DAO generally is confronting a genuinely tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The Polis especially is down to nearly 4.18% in the essentially most recent 7 days, exhibiting how Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectations September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Star Atlas DAO cost especially is figured to sort of arrive at an in every practical sense, least cost of 13 cents, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for truly past couple of days. The coin could by and large have serious areas of strength for pretty in any case. We don't in every practical sense believe that it would a productive resource in for the most part present moment, exhibiting how besides the minimum cost of Polis in July 2023 especially is 12 cents, with a kind of typical cost of 13 cents in a quite huge manner. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis for the most part diminished by 48.234%, taking out an incredible genuinely normal amount of 12 cents from its kind of current worth, which truly demonstrates the way that the Polis cost could by and large arrive at an especially greatest cost of 16 cents, with the truly normal expected cost around 15 cents. Exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking, this unexpected down truly implies that the coin most certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be an especially decent sort of purchase, an open door for by and large speedy speculation, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO Value Estimate 2023 Facts. What will by and large be Star Atlas DAO kind of worth in 2023? Or so they thought. The Polis cost in a real sense is determined to basically arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 17 cents, with really least cost of 15 cents, toward the finish of 2023, which in a real sense is very critical. Star's Atlas DAO especially have a future in an unobtrusive manner. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO certainly has an extraordinary kind of potential to for the most part arrive at new levels, showing how in the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO explicitly be somewhat worth in 2023 in a significant manner? It generally is gauged that Polis will increment in esteem, kind of additional appearance. How Star Atlas DAO value figure 2023 facts. What will generally be Star Atlas DAO by and large worth in 2023? Or so they especially thought. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Atlas DAO can explicitly stir things up around town of the most exorbitant cost of 82 cents till 2030, showing how while the typical exchanging cost ought to sort of be around 15 cents, by and large further appearance how moreover, the minimum cost of Polis in July 2023 explicitly is 12 cents, with a very normal cost of 13 cents. Really in spite of mainstream thinking, is Star Atlas DAO pretty worth per